All right, this is your stock truck A main. In the 3 spot, we're going to have Jeff Brown Sr. In the 2 spot, Mr. Adams, William Adams. And your pro driver, Brandon Denmark, in the number 1. Your TQ with 12 laps at a 5:03. I got plenty of drivers, plenty of marshals. We're going to get this one underway in less than 5. This is a 7-minute A main. Brandon Denmark looking to run away with it quickly. Oh, William Adams having some issues in the quad, but he gets a lucky break, ends up on his wheels. Jeff Brown giving chase. Brandon Denmark trying to run away with it. Come on, do a little whip over the quad, Brandon. That was not a whip. Right now is Brandon in the 1, Mr. Adams in the 2, and Senior in the 3. Right now, Brandon's got a 4.7 second lead over William, and William's got a 4.4 second lead over Jeff. A little wiggle for the crowd. One minute down, 6 minutes to go for Brandon Denmark. This is race number 2. Race number 3 is going to be our 17.5 stock buggy A main. Brandon coming in for a pit stop.
Five minutes left.
2 minutes down, 5 minutes to go. I think Brandon is sporting that Moto 1 paint job on that truck. That is Travis Adams. You can find his work on Facebook. The number 2 truck also sporting a Moto 1 paint job. And we are very, very spread out. Right now, fastest lap on the track is going to be a 24.5 by your race leader, Brandon Denmark. Oh. How about a backflip? Oh, Jeff going for the backflip.
4 minutes left.
3 minutes down, 4 minutes to go. Your race order is still the same. Brandon, William, and Jeff. Up behind you, Ethan. Oh, he's all right. And I'm going to need some volunteer marshals for this next race. Oh, no. Looks like it's just a ball cut. Coming up on 4 minutes down, 3 minutes to go.
3 minutes left. 2 minutes left.
Race order still the same. Brandon showing away, followed by Mr. Adams and Senior. .530 down, 130 to go. One minute left. Less than 20 seconds on the race clock. It's going to be the last lap for everybody. When you cross the line, you will be done. All right, I need everybody after the race is over for a photo.
Car 1 is done. Car 3 is done. Car 2 is
Congratulations,
done.
Brandon Denmark, TQ and win. Mr. Adams taking the 2, Senior taking the 3. Get him shut off, come back out here to Marshall. I'm going to need some volunteers. Next up is going to be our stock buggy A main. That's going to be Travis Adams, Alan Kozier, Justin Cole, Jeff Brown Sr., and Doug Smith may or may not run it. So we'll see.